Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another knot. This is the new era knot. So let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. You guys know the drill. We're just going to put a fold in here, any kind that you want. Bring it over to the center. Skinny end will come underneath like so. And then across. And then back over and across and then down like this. So this is what we got. This is what we have so far. Do a wreath here. Come around like this. And I'm not going to do a wreath here. I'm going to come around like that. And like so. This is a Boris Mocha technique right here. Right here. So then I'm going to take this skinny end, I'm going to fold it back like that. And then bring it up and under here like so. Now let me put my collar down, and there you have the new era knot. Let me adjust it a bit. This tie has to be kind of cinched up like that. I definitely want this to be evident and this to be evident. There you have it.